Hello students. Maritime distances and distances in fields such as construction or astronomy are difficult to measure directly. Trigonometry is used to measure distances in such fields. It has a wide range of applications across marine science, physics, computer graphics, sound waves, and robotics. Interestingly, trigonometry is also useful in determining the slope of a roof. We have learned the trigonometric ratios sine, cosine, and tangent in the 9th standard. We have also studied the values of all three ratios for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree angles and the relation between the ratios. Let's revise it. Observe this diagram. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees and angle R is theta. PR, the side opposite to angle Q, is the hypotenuse. Let's write the ratios sine, cosine and tangent for angle R, that is theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse is equal to PQ upon PR. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse is equal to QR upon PR, and tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side is equal to PQ upon QR. Now, if sin theta is equal to 5 upon 13 and cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13, let's find the value of tan theta. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 5 upon 13 upon 12 upon 13 is equal to 5 upon 12. Let's find the value of the ratio sin 62 degree upon cos 28 degree. Sin 62 degree upon cos 28 degree is equal to cos 90 degree minus 62 degree upon cos 28 degree, because sin theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. Therefore, sin 62 degree upon cos 28 degree is equal to cos 28 degree upon cos 28 degree is equal to 1. Cos 48 degree is equal to sin 90 degree minus 48 degree, because cos theta is equal to sin 90 degree minus theta. Tan 56 degree into tan 34 degree is equal to tan 56 degree into tan 90 degree minus 56 degree is equal to 1, because tan theta into tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to 1. Let's find the value of the ratio sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degree upon cos 0 degree plus sin 90 degree. Sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degree upon cos 0 degree plus sin 90 degree is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, because sin 30 degree is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to 1 upon 2, tan 45 degree is equal to 1, cos 0 degree is equal to 1 and sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus tan 45 degree upon cos 0 degree plus sin 90 degree is equal to 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. Students, let's learn 3 more trigonometric ratios this year: cosecant, secant and cotangent. Cosecant ratio. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of sine ratio of an angle is called its cosecant ratio. It is written in brief as cosec theta equal to 1 upon sine theta. Secant ratio. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of cosine ratio of an angle is called its secant ratio. It is written in brief as sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cotangent ratio. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of tangent ratio of an angle is called its cotangent ratio. It is written in brief as cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Let's consider an example. In the given triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees, angle R is equal to theta, that is, PR side opposite to the angle Q is the hypotenuse. Write the ratios cosecant, secant and cotangent for angle R, that is theta, in triangle PQR. Now, sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse equal to PQ upon PR. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon PQ upon PR equal to PR upon PQ. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side, that is the side opposite to the angle. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Now, cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse equal to QR upon PR. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 upon QR upon PR equal to PR upon QR. Therefore, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Therefore, cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Now, tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side equal to PQ upon PR. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon PQ upon PR equal to QR upon PQ. Therefore, cot theta is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Therefore, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. We have studied 6 trigonometric ratios and the relations between them. Let's solve some examples based on them. In the given triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle C is equal to theta and cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 40. Find the values of sec theta and cot theta. Solution. Given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, angle C is equal to theta and cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 40. Side AC is the hypotenuse. Now, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side is equal to AC upon AB. Therefore, AC upon AB is equal to 41 upon 40 because cosec theta is equal to 41 upon 40 is given. Let AC be 41K and AB equal to 40K. Therefore, in triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, 40K bracket square plus BC square is equal to 41K bracket square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 41K bracket square minus 40K bracket square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 1681K square minus 1600K square is equal to 81K square. Therefore, BC is equal to square root of in bracket 81K square is equal to 9K. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side equal to AC upon BC. Therefore, 41k upon 9k is equal to 41 upon 9. Now, cot theta is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side equal to BC upon AB equal to 9k upon 40k equal to 9 upon 40. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 41 upon 9 and cot theta is equal to 9 upon 40. In triangle LMN, angle M is equal to 90 degree, angle L is equal to theta. If sec theta is equal to 61 upon 11, find the values of cos theta and cosec theta. Solution given. In triangle LMN, angle M is equal to 90 degrees, angle L is equal to theta. If sec theta is equal to 61 upon 11, side LN is the hypotenuse. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 upon 61 upon 11 equal to 11 upon 61. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side to the angle equal to ln upon lm. Therefore, ln upon lm is equal to 61 upon 11 because sec theta is 61 upon 11. Now let's assume lm is equal to 11k and ln is 61k. Therefore, in triangle LMN, according to Pythagoras theorem, Lm square plus Mn square is equal to Ln square. Therefore, 11k bracket square plus Mn square is equal to 61k bracket square. Therefore, Mn square is equal to 61k bracket square minus 11k bracket square. Therefore, Mn square is equal to 3721k square minus 121k square is equal to 3600k square. Therefore, Mn is equal to square root of in bracket 3600k square is equal to 60k. Now, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to ln upon mn is equal to 60k upon 11k is equal to 60 upon 11. What did we learn? We learned the trigonometric ratios cosecant, secant and cotangent. Cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. We learned 6 trigonometric ratios, relations between these ratios and their applications. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Exercise. Solve the following examples. Observe the diagram given below and find the following trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees, angle R is equal to theta. If sec theta is equal to 17 upon 15, find the values of cosec theta, cot theta and tan theta. Fill in the blanks correctly. Find the value of the ratios. Sin theta is equal to 97 upon 25. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to what? Sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. Therefore, cos theta is equal to what? Tan 40 degree into cot 40 degree is equal to what? Cosec theta is equal to 5 upon 4. Sec theta is equal to 5 upon 3. Therefore, cot theta is equal to what?